Tea, ndị Igbo na-akwaja egwu, ndị Igbo na-akwaja ọkwa, mmanya ndị Igbo na-ata aja ụtọ, ekike ndị Igbo mana ọ bụ sọ mma, oriri ndị Igbo mana ọ na-atọ ụtọ, omenala Igbo na-atọwa m ntị, Olisa gọziere n'ụmụ Igbo, maka na ejebe banabano, ọ bụ Igbo ndị Chukwu fụrụ n'anya.
Igbo Women Movement Worldwide wishes to invite all Igbo sons and daughters, including our in-laws, friends and well-wishers, to our Odimma Alibo convention on the 2nd of July 2022, celebrating Igbo excellence. This will take place at 1078 to 1082 High Road, Romford, RM6 4BD, under the distinguished chairmanship of His Royal Highness Igwe Chris Chidume Eze Anuku, Eze Iglube of Omo, Chairman Crystal Group of Companies. Highlights of the day will be the launching of our Ultra-Modus Skill Acquisition and Training Center located in Anambra State of Nigeria. You can also look forward to awards and recognition to illustrious Igbo sons and daughters who've distinguished themselves from others through their countless contributions to the development and welfare of Indibo across the globe, essentially discovering and crowning our face of Igbo excellence, and many more highlights to look forward to on the night as well. More details of this epoch-making event is coming your way shortly, but make sure your plans are to be a part of history. Saturday the 2nd of July is a date to remember. This announcement is signed by Chief Host Mrs. Chinwe Okorigwe Adibo Buruburu, convener of Igbo Women Movement Worldwide. Alibo Gadirin. Looking forward to seeing you there.
To give you my all, oh, my love, oh, my girl, I no fit pretend, oh, I'm serious, oh, baby, oh.